Welcome to another 1 Math video. Today's video we're going to evaluate the summation from I equals 1 to n of 1 over I minus 1 over I plus 1. We'll start off what happens when we substitute I equals 1 in, and we'll get 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2. Then let's do I equals 2. We get 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Here we'll notice there's a negative 1/2 and a positive 1/2. These will cancel out to make 0. Then let's check what happened when I equals 3. We get positive 1/3 minus 1/4. And we look here, we notice there's a negative 1/3 and a positive 1/3, which will cancel out to make 0. So from this, we'll probably think there might be a pattern. So let's see it again with I equals 4. Substitute this in, we get 1/4 minus 1/5. And we see that these does cancel, the negative 1/4 and a positive 1/4. So if we keep on going, and if we think about our pattern, this negative 1/5 should cancel with the next term. So let's call all the way down to I equals n minus 1, the term before the last term. And that will be 1 over n minus 1 minus 1 over n. And if our pattern is correct, this 1 over n minus 1 should cancel. Now, finally, we have I equals n. Substitute this in, we get 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. And here we'll see that there's a negative 1 over n plus 1 over n. So these will cancel. So from here, we should get 1 over 1, which is 1, minus 1 over n plus 1. Let's move that a bit closer to make this easier to see. Now, to add fractions, we need common denominator. So 1 can be written as n plus 1 over n plus 1. And then we're going to subtract off 1 over n plus 1. This will simplify to n over n plus 1. And that is our solution. Some note is that if we were to look at 1 over I and 1 over I plus 1 and compare these two, we'll notice that 1 over I, since I is always an integer, positive integer, 1 over I will always be greater than 1 over I plus 1. So hence, 1 over I is going to be bigger. So if we look at this random term, let's look right here. This 1/3 and this minus 1/4. So the 1/3, we're adding a number. Minus 1/4, we are subtracting a smaller number. In other words, we can think of this as adding a number as to extend and subtracting the smaller number to retract. So there is an object in life that extends and retract and constantly extend, retract, extend, retract. That is known as a telescope. So this whole series is what's known as a telescoping series. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more, click on the video on screen to keep learning. Thank you.